What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back on a hit and a smashing up. Bang! I know people, y'all know what time it is. Yeah, man, people. You already see when I'm there. You see me? Anytime I drop on it tube, you know, so I come out with a banger, right? I always come with some little thing, right? Come with some mad reactions, right? Well, hopefully nothing will change, because I come with another bad one. You see me? See this one I burn up social media. You see me? And you see me? These are artists that, you know, me actually met in person before. You see me? These are really talented, real down-to-earth artists. You see me? Some real down-to-earth youth. You know what I'm saying? You see me? Mad artists. You see me? Veteran artists. Very fairly new artists. You see me? But yeah, man, I don't know. These are veteran artists. Top of them game, you know, some Mavado and Dexta Daps. You see me? And also most artists that, well, a lot of them probably know, a lot of them probably do. JA, you see me? So yeah, man, this is a mad collab. Everybody been talking about. Everybody saying this is a certified hit, certified banger. The preview them look mad, like the preview look like from top quality, top production. You see me? So yeah, but we want to check out the song, cause everybody say this is a certified banger, you know. You see me? It seems like a lot of people can relate, and like this look like they wanna talk to the streets. You see me? Someone see what I go on. You see me? So I'll check it out. Yeah, man, people. Before jumping that track, guys, this one now. Yeah, man. Go ahead and like and subscribe button. This goal, we need 100 likes on this one. You see me? 100 likes. A banger them, man. You see me? So yeah, 100 likes. You see me? We don't need to drop your comments. We need you to hit that subscribe button. Help your brother. Help the channel grow. You don't know, Jambisco Dan Army. Well, lit, you know. You see me? I take over the YouTube thing. You see me? So if they don't know them, I'm gonna know soon. You see me? So yeah, but we're not gonna let the vibes much longer, guys. This is a dope collaboration between Mavado, JA, and Dexta Daps called Pain. As I said, these are dope artists that I've met in person before. Even thanks to JA himself, you see me, cause they make no feel. Not even get into all that, but big up on yourself. You see me, yeah, one have to be a banger. Big up on yourself. Mavado, Dexta Daps. You see me, big up on yourself. JA, big up yourself. Yeah, I really you. Let's get it. Star, man, easy no, man. This star, that big up yourself, yo. Yeah, man. Roll up, blow up, fly, big up yourself.
Oh, for go
I mean, Jay, do it for the youths, them. I mean, man, do it for the youths, them. Hey.
Gold. Expert all the time, you know the crime, you know. Yeah. Where me come from, you have a gun for you. Every man, but I prove what them can do.
That's facts. Big up yourself, Jaggin J.
When the feds come, anybody can't tell upon you. And when the dead is when the most money spent upon you. Can't just.
Yo, watch out, man. Bomba, all the mic a turn over. Bomba, big tune word. Come in.
When can't just family too. Cause them give you a con like a harmony too. I'm a granity.
But can't trust friend, can't trust family too. Cause them give you a con like a harmony. Yo, we never drink how many porridge? How many can porridge?
Me this family clip, so when I make it, I come from
we come from real bad life. Some G-fast creepers life.
Come from real bad life. Hey, come in, man, talk to them.
When the dogs them not sleep at night.
What's up?
If you fuck around on a real drive by.
That's Fox. Come in, man.
Yeah. Play my part. Yo, I do us badness, man, attack. Long before some pussy could attack. Me keep a ear key close to my heart. Killers living at the wild. We feed pan wild car.
Easy no man. Ja. Listen. Ja. Dogs in them on the black dog. Yo. Yeah, man, so long there.
You know where the badness start. Fat boss are the godfather of New York. In the game, if you're right on a friend, you chop it off. Legendary.
Not the game for you, right? And your friend, you chop it off. Come in, man.
To the craft.
The world full of hate on the streets now have no love. Ooh. No love.
Come in,
can't live a thing that will make shatter sing like chorus.
Next up, dog. Yo, the collab. This is a top-notch collab. Top-notch collab. But like how J.A. bring in the thing, like how Mavado back the one, then I like how blow. Dexta come into finish and kill it off. The man must have body this beat, dog. You see me? The man must murder the track, dog. Come in, man.
Everybody ring guard, me still prayed up. Missy friend, I kill friend, I get famous.
Everybody ring guard, me still prayed up. Come in, man. Everybody I kill friend, forget famous. Come.
No love.
No love. No love.
Gun in a prom, police no search, baby.
So, gun in a prom, police no search. Yo. Come in.
Running for your Lisa Mercedes. Set up your friend, but I still no persuade. No make your bad.
I ugly girl star this. Me no like star for some reason, you know. I bet it's that. Me know, man. Me no like star, and I'm just can't stand her, you know. She don't do me nothing, people. Me just like the girl dog. Things that when she start from, I just don't like it.
You know my scheme, I work there. My road fly high like a burst cage. Police are linked with
Mara fly high like a burst BG. Una hear what go on, brother? Mara fly like kite in a hey.
The government are the root, the world like God is so savage. When I touch you, they have to have a gunfire.
I sing, J.A. I sing, dog. You're talented, brother. Come in.
Streets is like God is so savage. Half a battle, all the dopey, them a gunfire.
Yo, this is a certified hit, yo.
At the age of 30 in the street, turn me to a man, stamina just bad. Hard life bring pain, me a custom.
From age of 13, the street we not just bad. Hard life been paying me a cut.
At the belly of the beast, me a bust from. Dogs eat dogs, give us mental breakdown.
Dog give us mental breakdown. Come in, man.
Pure criminal. And the poorer class get paid minimal. Politicians rap replying so clinical. Yet when them dead at state funeral.
Talk it true with me, G. Oh, hey.
Yeah.
The world full of hate on the streets, now have no love. No love. Can't live a thing that will make shatters.
Yo, clap them on a dog. Yo, come in, man. Come in. This is a certified banger.
Sing like chorus. Everybody ring guard, me still pray. Missy friend, I kill friend, I get famous. No love.
No love. Come in, man.
No love.
When we come from, you have to have a gun for you.
Fox.
Every man but a man prove what them can do.
Fox.
When the feds come, anybody can tell upon you.
Fox.
And when you're dead is when the most money spent upon you.
Fox. Yo. Nah, man. This is a banger, people. Banger, people. Nah, man. Hit. Me need to hear this in the club. No, not later. If you hear this in the club, no, I banger this man. Yo, J.A. Yo, Mavado. Yo, Dexta Daps. Big up on yourself. Yo, clap them, people. Yeah, man. A masterpiece, this man. The production pan is top level, man. A long time, you know, see this good quality. You know, see this good quality song where I send a message. It have vibes and, you know, the collaboration, yeah, man. Love it. You love it. Yo, Mavado, J.A. Dexta Daps. Uno find it. You see me? Uno find it. Big up on yourself. Anyone there. That's a certified banger. That's one for the culture. It talks about what going on right now in a murder in their life. And then man, I say, yo, friend, I kill friend, forget famous, bro. You see me? You know, you have to keep your gun pan you, because everybody have a... You don't know when them are going to turn pan you. You see me? Everybody want to prove what them can do. You see me? When they did that, when the most money I spend pan you. That's facts, bro. You see me? They are struggling in life, you know, you want this and that, you turn to somebody who they don't have it. Soon as you're dead, money fuck up for funeral last. I really thought, man, sad but I truth. You see me? Once again, Mavado, J.A. Dexta Daps, bring up on yourself. Wanna drop a banger. This one is for the culture. Rate that one. Me not lying. People definitely run up the numbers on the one. Make them know say Jambisco done. Say no. They know say Jambisco done harm me late. You see me, I can take over this man. Yeah man, I'm mad thing man. J.A. Dexta Daps, Mavado. J.A. big up yourself. You're a real youth. You don't know what time it is. You see me? Big up yourself and then G. Yo, it's a good look. Glad if you I'm glad I got one of them songs and they belt me G, a well talented dog. I even know say you can't sing me G. You see me know you can't DJ, but you know say you can sing dog. You see me the ending is surprising. Was a nice surprise man. Big up on yourself. Yeah man, that's a banger people. Definitely show them some love and support me. Then like Jambisco dancing. Run that up, hit the like button. I don't know. Goal for every day, 100 likes. Run it up. Drop in the comments, me know on the free part. You don't know, your boy Jambisco down. I was here when I hit the national banger. Till next time, take care of yourself, each other. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.